Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Here is gallery view, a normal class, Monday afternoon. And it's almost normal temperature. Too late. So let's start. I shuffled your teams. So I will open the new project at 3:30. And I will ask you to do what you did the first week of second semester. Access Manaba, look at the project. Not right now. Not right now. It opened at 3:30. The new project has been opened. Please access Manaba. Oh, okay. Panic, panic. Okay, okay. Access Manaba. And find your new team. Change your sign-in name so I can put you in your breakout rooms and you can talk to each other a little bit. So find your new team and rock and roll. Give me 4 minutes to talk to you a little bit. I want to give you a chance to develop working teamwork relationships with different people. You know from the reading assignments and the project team video assignments how important teamwork is. So, work together. If you have a personality clash, please email me. I put my email addresses in the thread section of Manava. So you can email. But when you do, remember, email is not SNS. Now you have to identify yourself. New team leaders, send me an email. Tell me next week's team workers, their jobs. Tell me who you are. Communication. Validating our value. Validating our personal information. Be careful out there. I am a scientist engineer. My network is really big. And since COVID time, I have access to a lot of infection information, daily, weekly, monthly. Science and engineering is an acquisition of data, acquisition of information. We gather data, we make information, and we communicate it. COVID-19 is not a superhuman or a superhero or a supervillain. It's nature, and nature always repeats itself. So we have studied and learned the infection cycle of the virus. This fall and winter infection cycle is starting now. If you see me on the streetcar, you won't, well, you'll know who I am, but I wear my black mask. I want to protect myself, I want to protect my family, and I want to protect my students. So be careful out there. I will see you next Monday. Have a good week. Goodbye.